Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play. So I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to fry some, okay, we're going to call it turkey nuggets, okay? So I bought a turkey roast. It was about this big. I would say it was about maybe 5.5 pounds, 6 pounds, something like that. And I cut it into 3 pieces, okay? Because I'm not going to eat the whole roast. And the whole thing cost me $9. So as you can see, this rope here, this is what they had it tied in. So when you see that, that means that they're trying to hold some pieces together. It's not really like one unit, or it could come apart, okay? So this is what the whole roast was wrapped up in. So we're going to just take that off. Because like I said, I'm using, this is 1/3 of the piece of roast, okay? Turkey breast. Alright, so I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do, and we're gonna fry it, okay? So I'm gonna adjust the camera and we're gonna get started right away. Okay, so here's our roast meat. As you can see, this is 1 piece. Oops, almost went to the floor. 1 piece, right? Here's another piece that's way bigger. See what I'm saying? So they put all these pieces together so that it looks like it's one whole unit, but in fact it's not, okay? Alright, so I'm going to take a knife and we're going to cut it into the shape of nuggets. Because kids like nuggets, right? So let me show you some shapes that I just cut it into so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Okay? Alright? So we're going to do that. So when you go to McDonald's, they give you what, 6 nuggets for with a Happy Meal and a drink and maybe a toy and French fries, and that's probably, I would say, $5. I don't know. I haven't bought one in a long time, but that would be my guess. Okay, I bet you didn't know you could fry turkey, huh? How about that? Okay, so we have some nuggets. They're not perfect pieces, but that's okay. We'll just, you get the idea. If you want to make yours perfect, go for it. Okay, so this other half, I'm going to use in another dish. So I'm up on $3 for this 1/3 piece, right? And I'm using about $1 worth of turkey breast for this meal. And I'm just going to put this in the bag, put it in the refrigerator, and I'm going to use this for another meal that I will show you soon. Okay, so that's in. Let me turn the oil on to get it hot. Earlier I fried some vegetables. One second. I'm sorry, I had a sneeze. Okay, so we're going to put our seasoning on. Oh, let me show you the nuggets so you can see. Here's the nuggets. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces. Alright, so I'm going to put some seasoning on. I got some pepper, I'm sorry, let me show it to you. Some pepper, some garlic, ground garlic, some Lawry's seasoning salt, Lawry's, and some Sassoon. Sassoon. You find Sassoon in the Goya section. Okay, now we're just gonna mix it all in. See what I'm doing? Rather than turning it over and repeating that, I'm mixing it all in right here. Okay, now I have 2 eggs here. Gonna mix up. And I have some milk. This is shelf milk, 1%. You can use any kind of milk you like, or you can add water. You do not have to add the milk. Okay, I would say that's about maybe 6 tablespoons of milk. Okay, the seasonings that you put on the meat, you're going to put in the egg wash. That's the garlic, the Larry's, the pepper, and the Sassoon. Turn my fire down so it doesn't get too hot on me. I'll mix that up. Okay, now that I mix my egg wash up, I'm going to put the meat right in it. Okay. So now we have our meat. We're going to mix up the eggs, the egg wash in the meat. Alright. And in the flour, we're going to put just Sassoon. Mix that up. That's for the color and the flavor. Okay, get the meat, put it in the flour. Try to let some of the egg wash drain off. Okay, let's mix this up first. Alright, let's put it in. We're going to fry it. Who'd have known you could fry turkey, huh? How about that? Okay, and the last bit. Okay, mix that up. And I can turn my fire back up some. Let it get nice and hot because it's already heated up. I was just waiting on my meat. Oh, I can't wait to taste it. Alright, it's all in. Okay, I need to wash my hands. I'll be right back. Okay, so let's turn it over. I'm going to turn our turkey nuggets over. Oh, wow. Look at that. Nice. Wow. Cooking down in that grapeseed oil. Oh, boy. Let me let you get a good look at that. See that? Wow, nice, huh? Okay, sorry for all the moving around. Okay, let me give you the word of the day while I'm waiting on the turkey nuggets, okay? So, in this lesson, the word of the day, I'm showing you how, okay, you're paying $9 for a piece of meat. I know you're saying, oh, I can't pay $9 for one package of meat. Well, you can if you can see how you can cut that up and get maybe 2 or 3 meals out of that. Then it's the same price as if you paid $5 or under for a package, right? So in this case, I divided it into 3. So this is, I used $1 worth. So my 1/3 portion cost $3 when I break the $9 up. Okay, and these nuggets, I cut off $1 worth. I have 9 big pieces of nuggets. And so now I'm going to see how many more meals I can get out of that 1/3 portion. That's right, how many more meals I can get out of that 1/3 portion. So the word of the day is stretch your dollar. And now you can see how you can pay a larger price for a package of meat if it allows you to break it down to smaller amounts of money per meal. Okay? Is that the idea that you got? I hope you got that idea. Alright, so listen, check out the links below. I have some links to Amazon. Something's over there that you may want. Go on over there, click my link, and go on over to Amazon and shop. Okay? If you can. If you can't, don't do it, because you know what? It's better to have some finances that you can count on a rainy day versus you spending up all your money and then you're stressed. Don't be stressed, okay? Share the video, okay? Cook some kids some nuggets, will you? Oh, and by the way, I'm going to be using some mango sauce on them. Alright, you may not like mango, maybe you like sweet and sour, maybe you like duck sauce, maybe you like barbecue sauce, whatever sauce you want is fine. I'm using mango, okay? Alright, so let me get the turkey nuggets out the frying pan and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so our turkey nuggets are out. Let's check our temperature. We're looking for 165. Poultry is 165. Okay, we're there. We're 166. We're good. Okay. And here I have some mango sauce. Okay? Mango sauce. So, let's see. Let me get a picture. Okay, that's the turkey nuggets with the mango sauce. Okay? And let me see if I can get in the picture. Turkey nuggets with mango sauce. How about that, huh? Wow. I'll stand back some. Is that better? Okay. Alright, so let me take a taste. Let me let you see the inside. You see that? Nice, right? Okay. And let me take a taste. I'm dipping it in the mango sauce. You know, like McDonald's do, right? It's hot. I gotta blow it. Mmm. That is an impressive taste of turkey. Oh my goodness. The mango sauce has a little tang to it. Mmm. Very good. Crunchy on the outside. Mmm. You are gonna love it. Okay. I already gave you the word of the day. Share the video. Check out the links. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'd love to have you to join the family. And until next time, I love you. Bye-bye.